Hi, welcome back to Vaareesa. In this series, we are going to learn about how to draw unshaded basic form. Today, we are going to see how to draw unshaded sphere. Hold your pencil in writing grip. Then make a round mark on paper surface. Start slowly moving your shoulder in circular motion without touch the pencil on paper surface. Keep your wrist locked in place, then your elbow moves slightly. Slowly lower your arm to the surface while moving your shoulder in a circular motion. Now allow your pencil to make contact with the surface of paper. Make several circular strokes on the paper. Don't worry if they are not perfect. We will pull out a circle from this collection. If you wish, you can erase to clean up extra lines. You have to need a little practice to get perfect circle. Now let's see how to shade it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.